Hi viewers, welcome to our channel BSP Voice. Is BitLaw for Better Life. The topic which I am coming today is independent India. Yes, everybody likes. Yes, everybody is patriot today. Patriotism is really flourishing everywhere because tomorrow we are going to get celebrated Independence Day, right? Everyone today also tries to become independent. In every home, the child would like to be independent thinker, independent worker. But after getting independence also to the nation, at home itself we try to be independent. But think about before 1947, how would it be? Really, it was pathetic condition. Since 1857 to 1947, there was 90 years of duration. People struggled a lot for getting independence. If you think and imagine about it, right, and if our grandparents would be really suffering a lot, great grandparents would be suffering a lot, they might have faced it, and they sacrificed many things for the betterment of today's life. Today we are happy today here in the world means because of only their sacrifices. Yes, I'm coming to the point now. So they sacrificed 90 years back or 73 years back, 1947 to 2020. If you take that 73 years of time over, we are entering the 74th year of independent nation. But how actually we are converting to technologically? Okay, good, and the world is looking at us today for the commercial and any other right kind of things. At the same time, we are developing in agriculture and irrigation areas. Educational reforms also have come. Industrial revolution has come. Industrially, we are moving ahead. Today, startups have come. Entrepreneurship. So many things have come. But still, we are lacking something. What we are lacking that? Sincerity. Of course, everybody is selfish. Of course, myself and yourself. Everybody is doing some work for self. Okay, if you are not selfish, you cannot get developed. But thing is, thinking about the nation also important. As they thought about the nation at the time, nation is today like this. At the same time, if you think today about the nation, tomorrow you can imagine what would be. Why should not be like Americans? America is top one today. China is competing with them. Russia is competing with them. Of course, in our blood it's not there. In our DNA it's not there that you're attacking on any country, encroaching. So it's not there in our blood. But thing is, sometimes we have to show that competence with our technological developments. Entrepreneurship is very important today. Everyone has to become employer. Today, the new education policy has come, which is going to be implemented soon. So that next generations who are coming may be lucky. Of course, the new education policy definitely will bring many of entrepreneurs, many of artists, many of sportsmen, many of businessmen. So today you also, the youth who are today, okay, you also think that here you must be an employer. India today needs an employer than employees. So that towards that actually idea, if you go for, definitely you are doing some service to the nation. It is not thinking that here you don't search for right employment. If you go on searching for employment, it is not possible to any government also to give 100% employment to 130 crores of people are there. In 130 crores of people, more than 50 crores of people are unemployed. So doing private jobs or any other odd jobs, any other works. So if it goes on like this, where we get developed? When you depend on somebody else, so the nation doesn't develop. Think about China today, because self-sustainability is there. They have their own kind of work. They create the startups. Today, whatever we are using the technology and gadgets today, because of them, the value and the quality of that gadgets also, they are offering us for less price, which the qualitative and brand items, right, is even the same equal features are there even in the China market today. So that people are going for it. So if India has that capacity, the technological students today who are coming up with many startups. So when you enter the college, you have to think that here you are going to become an employer, not employee. Don't try to be an employee, because today governments are ready to give you right whatever the funds you need. The government, all the governments are ready to give you the subsidies also for the startups. So think in that way, innovative way. Don't think that here when I enter, so what's my package would be if I become an employee? What would be my package like? If you think like that, you become employee. You will not become employer. You know, think that here you create money, you generate money. You don't work for money. You generate money. Money works for you. That kind of attitude is necessary for you. Of course, our generation was somewhat different in where we studied in 80s and 90s. That was totally different. But today you are there. Many things are available for you. Technology is available at just only fingertips. You can do anything, any work you want to do that. And many apps have come today. Even Paytm, at the time of that demonetization, Paytm has come. So how the persons thought at the time. So every time when you think about the startup and when you think that you want to generate the employment, then definitely your mind works towards that side. So on 73rd Independence Day, every student has to think that here, let us be employers. When you have become employer, so India definitely reaches to the top level, top 10 of countries in the world. That we have to struggle. Of course, struggle was over before independence, 1947. At the time, the struggle was over. At last, we got independence, and our right, our what I mean to say that right, great grandparents and all, they had struggled and they have contributed their knowledge and economy for the nation. Tata's, Birlas, so they contributed their share also. They had worked for the development of the nation. Economically, it was weak at the time when we got independence in 1947, because entire treasure was taken by the Britishers, entire treasure was taken by the foreigners. Only that India has become totally with empty hands. It was standing before the country with empty hands. At the time, people started working on that reforms. Educational reforms have come, industrial reforms have come, agricultural reforms have come. Many plans and planning commission was established, and UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, was established. Before that, only it was what? Civil services, just only. So that now, UPSC has come. Bureaucrats have been generated from there. And because of technological revolution, we could see that today many engineering colleges, quality engineering college, because of government steps also today, the engineering colleges are improving quality also. You can see that here, which is autonomous institutions have come today. So where you are studying in that institutions, you have to come forward. Not only that, technological students here, conventional courses also have much strength. Economics, you see that economics, the people who study economics, really fantastic. If you go and study in Delhi University of Economics or Pune University of Economics or any other, the best universities which are offering economics as a core subject, if those people study in that course also, will become fantastic. They can earn more money. At the same time, they can establish a consultancy also, because you think that here what you want to be. And politics, that politics also, if the person studies real politics, real political science, they can become thinkers, political thinkers. Today, many of advisors to the politicians today, because the people who studied politics seriously, it is not only as one subject in the BA course. If you have that intention to study politics seriously, doing research in it, definitely you are going to become one of the resource person for one party. Maybe any other parties, national parties or any other parties today, they are taking the support of political thinkers. The politicians are not taking own decisions. They are depending on political thinkers who had done political science in main course, as main course. So that India needs today very qualitative people. Don't waste your time for anything, because already the entire ingredients are there in front of you. Only your duty is that here You have to use those ingredients and make it right very tasty and healthy dish. That is your work. So already our right, the generations past also had given many things and contributed things. Yours is only that here the ingredients whatever are there, you have to develop them properly. You have to use them properly and make it very good dish for the nation. So that is yours. I think you understand my example. So the resources are more today, but how you are using that resources are important. So many apps are there. How you are using that apps are important. Many people are there, okay, using that internet and all the things. According to one survey, only the South Indians, especially Hyderabadis, are using internet and mobiles more than the North Indians and other states. Why it's happening? What they are using? Only those people know that. If really our Hyderabadis or the South Indians or whatever, if they are using the right one, right app, right source for right purpose, definitely you are going to become an entrepreneur. Otherwise, you can create right employment to many people. You are going to become an employer. So India needs an employer today, not an employee. So you create that, you generate to many people. Everybody is going to be self-sustained personality. What India needs, think about it. And people, the youth have to come into politics also today. Yes, you have to come into politics also. Why not? Politics is not right others part of game. Even the young generation today who studied well, if you have very good background, even the people who have really passionate to become politician also can come into politics. That's a different case from any background. But the people who are really very good at right finance and at the same time good support is there from your parents, you better come into politics. Because the educated people are not coming into politics, the politics have been corrupted totally. So you are right standing outside and saying that here politicians are like this and politicians are this politician is like this. So just commenting, standing outside, get inside and change. That is there with you. Every educated where there is possibility of entering politics have to come into politics. Because this has totally in the clutches of some stakeholders. The politics are in the clutches of stakeholders. That is the pathetic condition today to the nation. Youth has to think that on Independence Day, right? Every youth has to think that here, what is contribution? Everything is done. Some people say that, sir, everything is done. No, sir, what we have to do? There is much to do. There is much to do. When Graham Bell invented telephone, so if people would thought that okay, everything happened, okay, Graham Bell. So then research has been taken place. So we are seeing today the smartphones. There is no any satisfaction for the development. There is no any satisfaction for the technology that it goes on. Think innovatively. So leave the things aside, whatever the entertainment and whatever the things which are there, leave aside. Think innovatively. You are going to create one day great nation. The great nation is only in the hands of the youth today. Right? What you are listening that is that entire the nation's life and future is in your hands. Think about it once, my dear friends. Why not like that? Why do you waste your time? Why do you get scolded by your parents about whatever you are doing silly and tricky mistakes? It's not fine for you then, because still there is waiting for you to right do. Yes, still there is waiting for your contribution. That is required to every youth. Then definitely you are going to work for betterment and you can create the employment. Think once. This happens. It is not simple one what I am saying to you. This happens definitely. One day definitely you are going to become an employer. That must be in your thought. Give that thought to the universe. Universe definitely gives you what you give to the universe. Give that thought that yes, I am going to become an employer. I am going to give employment to 100 members. I am going to give employment to 50 members. Think in that way. Definitely one day you are going to create that you become employer. That thought must be there to the entire nation today, not only some region or something like that. The entire nation has to think that here about the nation. That is the only That is the only that your gratitude towards the nation. Your gratitude must be that, because it is there. Nation has given everything, right? Nationalists have given many things. You taking that sources, that resources, using that resources, you have to show that your gratitude, right? Developing our country's rupee or increasing our rupee up to at least 50, right? The range of dollars. You know that our rupees and dollars value, what is this here? What's happening? So when Takshila University was there, Magadha University was there, Nalanda University was there, earlier days, before independence, before that, the foreigners used to come to India. Today Indians are going to foreign for MS and other things. What happened to our rupee? The rupee has totally declined today. Why it's happening? Because we are depending on foreign imports. We have to export the things. That is the strong will of every youth today. Yes, you think that we have to export everything too. When you export, you will get that your foreign currency, and our rupee value, right, decreases. When we are importing, what happens? That nothing at all. We have to pay much. For their $1, we have to pay 70 rupees. Right? For their 1,000 rupees, we have to pay 70,000 rupees. So what does it mean? What's happening to the nation today? Think about it once. Enjoyment, entertainment, all are okay. The European countries are not doing all the things, entertainment and enjoyment. They are also doing enjoyment, entertainment. Besides that, they are concentrating about startups. When European countries, they start working at the age of 17 and 18 years itself, they'll be independent there. They are independent every time, listening to the parents and independent thinking, and work independently, earn independently also. That happens there. The sources are there for them. So the same sources you have to create yourself here. Independence Day is not that to celebrate as one day that here. Every day you feel that here. Yes, independent nation is that here, self-sustaining nation. Yes, think it once. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe it, at the same time like it. Thank you very much. Bye. Happy Independence Day.